Okay, we are back with coronavirus. This will be the second part of your extension activity. So we are going to finish up with some coronavirus stuff, and we will be wrapped up for the week, which is great. Then you guys will be able to enjoy your long Easter weekend. So some more information about coronavirus. Here is something that you can do to help stop the spread. You can cover your mouth and your nose. So cover your mouth and nose when you're coughing or sneezing to avoid spreading germs into the air. Cough or sneeze into your elbow, not your hand. This will help avoid getting more germs on your hand. Use a tissue when you sneeze or you need to blow your nose. Some people might call them tissues, other people might call them Kleenex, anything that will keep the germs from spreading outside of your body. Then throw the tissue into the trash and make sure to wash your hands. Does anyone remember how long you should wash your hands for? 20 seconds. All right, make sure you wash your hands for a nice long time. What do you do when you feel a sneeze coming? So here's a picture of a woman who's coughing into her elbow. A lot of times you can feel a sneeze coming on. So you can put your hand over your mouth or grab a tissue or put your head into your elbow when you feel a sneeze or a cough coming on. This can help can help prevent spreading germs. You can stop sharing things and shaking hands for a while. Now, I know you guys have heard for years and years, you need to share, you need to share, you need to greet people. And those things are great, but right now it's just really not safe to do some of those things. So if you're sharing things, make sure that they are clean. You're sharing things with only people in your house. Right now it's important not to share or shake hands with others. Germs can spread when a person who is sick touches an object. Germs are left behind on that object. When other people touch the object, they could become sick too. People should avoid shaking hands too. They can do something fun like bumping elbows instead. So here's a photo of two people that are bumping elbows. I know in the past we've done like fist bumps or high fives or things like that, and we can still spread germs those ways. So maybe just waving or saying hello would be better ways to greet somebody at this time. So we are not spreading germs to people. You can stay away from crowds of people right now. Try not to be too close to other people right now, especially crowds. Keep a bigger distance between yourself and other people. Scientists call this social distancing. Germs in the air spread from person to person through coughs and sneezes. If you stay away from other people, you can help stop the spread of germs. So this is why we are not at school right now. If we were at school, there would be a group of us. We would be a crowd. And we would be potentially spreading germs. And we are in close areas when we are at school. We are sitting at the same tables. We're sitting at the same desks. We're sitting around the lunch table, things like that. That would not be social distancing. So when people are social distancing, you're supposed to be about 6 feet apart. So we are avoiding those larger crowds. This might also be why your parents might tell you that you can't join them at the grocery store or at Walmart. We're supposed to prevent large crowds of people. So we're trying to only go maybe one person at a time and trying to keep those germs away from each other. What should you cough or sneeze into? Should you cough and sneeze into your foot, your hand, or your elbow? I will be linking this with this video. What should people avoid? Eating breakfast, reading, or shaking hands. What should you stay away from right now? Basements, crowds, or kitchens? Oops. Sorry. Let's start back at the beginning here. Here is a video. It says, OMG, my child asked about the coronavirus. The dreaded question finally happened. And Billy is here to help. Billy is going to explain us more about this topic. Its name is coronavirus, and just as the name states, it is a virus. Think of it as a distant cousin of the common flu. Did you know it was discovered in China in 2019? However, it doesn't like to stay put. It enjoys traveling. But how does it travel? Does it take a plane? Not quite, but close. It likes to travel in teeny weeny water droplets and ends up in people's hands. When it visits someone, it can cause a fever, cough, or a bit of trouble breathing. But it leaves. But no worries, everything will be okay. How can you help? Remember to always wash your hands. Use lots of soap and sing an ABC chant while you do it to make sure that they're clean. If you can't wash your hands, use hand sanitizer. Grab some, rub it on your hands, and let it dry. Easy peasy. Let's play a game. Don't touch your face. Try really hard not touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Oops, we almost forgot. If you sneeze or cough, don't forget to cover your mouth with a paper towel. Easy, right? We think so too. Oops, I'm gonna pause this. Lingo Kids. All right, we're gonna go back and listen to this song about washing your hands.
Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Show me your hands, everybody, show me your hands. Are they dirty? Show me your hands, everybody, time to wash your hands. Rub your hands, everybody. Rub your hands. Are they soapy? Rub your hands, everybody. Time to wash your hands. And we sing, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Try your hands, everybody. Try your hands. Are they dry yet? Try your hands, everybody. Time to wash your hands. Shake your hands, everybody. Shake your hands. Are they clean now? Shake your hands, everybody. Time to wash your hands. And we sing, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands, wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands.
Okay, sorry, I couldn't handle the video anymore of the wash your hands, so I think you get the drift. Wash your hands, dry your hands, make sure your hands are clean. Don't touch your face, cough into your elbow, use a tissue, all those things. I am going to link the comprehension questions, and then you guys are good to go for the week. I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. Bye, guys.